All right, let's implement this thing in C++. Let's start with our includes. Include IOStream. Include SStream. Include string. Include algorithm. Include time, not that kind of time, time H. Include, let's put an E on that one too. They can all have E's. Excepciones. All right, that's it. Now using std, std standard. Yeah, I want sin, but let's start with iString stream. Using std count. Using std kin. Using std, oops, good Lord, Mark. Not sin, we already have that. Endl, using std string, using std transform, and using std exception. What happened up there? Oh, transform got weird. Okay, there we go. All right, we got all those usings. All right, here come our values, right? So Boolean, running, Boolean, game over, integer for wallet, and integer cards of an array of 3, and we'll make that equal 0, 0, 0. All right, bool is, come on, Mark, is an int. String input. Is that what try int output. ATOI input to C string. Boom, boom, catch. Constant exception. Pointer to E. Return false. I thought I could do something better. All right, dummy. All right, so what's the next thing? Ask questions and get input. So let's do ask question. String is going to ask question. String prompt. While true, we will count prompt, add a question mark, and endl in that line. String ans, bring ans in from the console, transform that, answer begin, answer end, answer begin, boop boop to upper. If ans is nothing, oops, we're going to count. Please answer the question. Boom, 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 boom. else return ANS. Close it, done. Get integer input string prompt while true. Count prompt string ANS sin into ANS if is an integer ANS return ATOI ANS C string count you did not enter an integer. Endle. Close. Ask for bet. While true. Bet equals get integer input. What is your bet? Question mark. If bet is greater than 0, we're going to count. Please bet a non. I'm sorry, if it's less than 0. Not greater than. Negative amount. I'm even reading it and I'm making mistakes. Okay, else, else if bet is greater than wallet, count. Sorry, my friend, but you bet too much. You have only, add a space there, wallet, dollars to bet. Boom. Otherwise, return the bet. All right, ask to play again. Bool, ask to play again. While true, string ANS will be ask question. Do you want to play again? If ANS is yes, whoops, what did I just do? Or ANS is yes, return true. If ANS is no, or ANS is no, there should be another one up here. Return false. Count. Please answer yes or no. Endle. Done with that. Bool asks to see the rules. And I'm just going to copy and paste this. I type poorly enough that it makes more sense to do this. Okay. It'll make both of us less frustrated. All right. Do you want to see the rule list? All right. Then we have void display a card that takes an integer card. If card equals 11, count Jack. Whoa. 12, 13, 14, anything. Else, Excel, Excels, Ace, King, Queen, 12, 13, 14, else, else, else. Almost did another else. Done. Boom, boom. Void display rules. Let's go get that. All right. 7 counts. What did it do? All right, 7 counts. So count, boom, boom, and an indle. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Copy this. Copy, paste. Copy this. Copy, paste. Copy this. Copy, paste. Copy the 4th line. Copy, paste. It doesn't matter, but I got an extra space. Copy, paste. Put a space in there. I don't know if you can just do empty, but we'll go for that. I can't go for that. All right, copy the 7th line. There, done. Cancel. Yeah, okay. Don't know what I did there. I don't know why I hit save and it's not even the right spot. Okay, integer generate random number. Integer minimum, integer maximum, bool show, int random equals rand percent maximum plus minimum. All right. Okay. If show count random endl return random. Okay, that guy's done. Select card int select card. All right, this is going to be another while true. We are going to say int card equals generate, and it's going to be between 2 and 13 false. I think that's right. I think it's 0, 13, 14. That'd be 15. 0. It'd be 0 to 12. 0 to 4. Yeah. It might be 12. Let's try that. And then if card not equal cards 0 and card not equal cards 1 and card not equal cards 2, then we will display that card. We'll return that card again and again. So we'll have to see if we actually get an ace when we run this. Int main count. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Acey Ducey C C plus endl. Running is true. Running is true. if ask to see the rules, display rules while running. Here's our loop. Set our wallet to 100. Set game over to false. I'm going to go ahead and say cards 0 equals cards 1 equals cards 2 equals 0. Clear them out here like I did in the C# one. Let's see. Where am I now? We set the cards. Now we're going to do our game over loop. So while not game over, we're going to say you have, so count, you now have wallet dollars Endel, and then we'll say cards 0 equals select card, cards 1 equals select card, int bet equals ask for bet. If bet is greater than 0, then cards 2 equals select card. If or so this will be if cards 2 greater than cards 0 or and cards 2 is less than cards 1 or cards 2 greater than cards 1 and Mark, wrong language. Cards 2 is less than cards 0. This is a problem with writing in all the different languages that are so similar. I think that was which one is just like this? Lua, somewhat. And C#, but I should remember that it's and for and. All right, we got all that. Less than, greater than. Yep. Okay. So then this is you win. Count. You win. Bang bang bang. Endel. Wallet plus equals your bet. Else. Come on. Count. Sorry. You lose. Endel. Wallet minus equals bet. If wallet less than $1, right? Yeah, right. Scroll down so I can see it all. Less than $1, then you're going to say sorry friend. So that's count. Sorry friend, you are broke. And then game over. Game over, man. Game over is true. And then we need to, okay, so now this is the bet. This is else. Game over. Game over is true. True. Okay, now that should be the loop. Okay, so now we'll go count. Game over. Oops, Endel. Then if not, no, let's do this. Let's say running equals ask to play again. Ask to see the rules. Okay. Then we can do that. Then we can say count. Okay. Hope you had fun. Count. Thanks for playing. And then I was just thinking, sorry friend, you're broke. Did I do the right things up here for? Sorry, my friend. Yeah, okay. All right. All right. All right. Whoa. Just cancel. I'm not going to save. I want to run it first. No new line at end of. Oh. Because damn it, I don't want to save it. Preompt. I keep hitting save every time. Isn't it ant? Okay, what is this? Warning, new load. Do I have too many of these? Yeah. Run. It's the very esoteric errors that they're all warning, no new line at end of file, but really it's something wrong inside. Real bad inside. Let's see, what is the issue? Part 1112, if else, if end all. I don't know what the problem is. Where does it say? 170. Oh no, okay, I see. Oh, it's just going to the end. Oh, I see. It does say some error point. Too few arguments. To function display card. Oh. So that is when you get the card, select card, display card, card. Oh my gosh, stop hitting Control S. Such a creature of habit. Do you want to see the rules? Wow. Please say yes or no. Yes. I don't want to bet. 0. Yes. Queen 6. Let's bet all of it. I won. 8 to queen. Let's bet half of it. I won. 7 to 3. Let's bet $1. Oh, I still won. King to 9. Oh, I lost. Okay. I'm like, do I ever not lose? Oh, we want to see if there's an ace. So let's just do some ones. King, jack, king, 9, 8, jack, jack, king, king, jack, queen, king, jack, king, king, king. Yeah, okay, so I don't think it's ever shown an ace. Let's see what happens if I make this a 13. Since maybe that's, gosh, stop with the Control S. Okay, such a habit. Nah, I don't care about the rules. 1. Oh, there's the ace. Okay, immediately. $100, $200, $1, $99, $1, $1, $1, $295, $1, $589. Oh, it gave me a 2. All right. Do you want to play again? No. All right. That's it. That was Acey Ducey in C++.